8 surprising signs you'll live longer after 65. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all think about. How long will we truly live, especially as we approach our golden years? Are you curious if you're on the right track for a long, healthy life after 65? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to explore 8 surprising signs that researchers and doctors have found can indicate your longevity. These aren't just guesses, but real observations from people living vibrant lives well into their 70s and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for in your own life and, more importantly, how to make positive changes. Before we jump in, let me ask you, from where in the world are you watching, and what health topics are you most interested in? Drop your answers in the comments below. First up, let's talk about balance. Yes, balance. It might seem simple, but your ability to stand on one leg can reveal a lot about your future. Researchers have found that those who can hold a single leg stance for at least 10 seconds tend to live longer, healthier lives. Think about it. Strong balance means your muscles, nervous system, and brain are working together effectively. Try this right now. Stand up and lift one leg. Can you hold it for 10 seconds? If not, don't worry, but let's work on it. Simple exercises like heel-to-toe walking or Tai Chi can make a huge difference. A firm grip suggests strong muscles and a healthy nervous system, while a weak grip can signal muscle loss and frailty. Studies show that stronger grips are linked to better cardiovascular health and lower rates of chronic disease. Try squeezing a stress ball or using hand grippers to build your strength. How fast do you walk? Believe it or not, your walking speed is a reliable predictor of longevity. Those who maintain a brisk pace tend to live longer. Walking speed reflects your overall vitality. A slower pace can indicate underlying health issues. Aim for regular walks and gradually increase your pace and distance. Sleep is crucial for repair and rejuvenation. Consistent, high-quality sleep is linked to longer, healthier lives. Poor sleep can lead to memory decline and heart disease. Try reducing screen time before bed and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Your social connections are more important than you think. Strong relationships reduce stress and promote well-being, while loneliness can have the opposite effect. Make time for friends and family and join groups with shared interests. Keep your brain sharp. Activities like reading, puzzles, and learning new skills can protect against cognitive decline. Challenge your mind regularly to maintain independence and quality of life. How you handle stress is critical. Chronic stress weakens your immune system and accelerates aging. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as waking and playing sports, exercise, or deep breathing. Exercise routines, maintaining a healthy weight, and diet is crucial for longevity. A balanced diet and regular exercise can reduce disease risks and improve mobility. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes. What small step will you take today to invest in your health? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.